Welcome back to another DIY video with Union Hardware. I'm Kelly.
And I'm Brandon. And if you're new here, we'll show you simple, affordable ways to upgrade your home like a pro.
And today we are going to give this wooden table a serious glow up using Parker paints. Whether your table is old and worn out, or maybe it's new and it needs protection, this video is for you.
First up, our Parker paints Varnish. You can use it on wooden doors, wooden trims, and wooden windows as well. And it also has a 10-year guarantee.
You will also need a sanding sealer, which is the first one you need to apply before you apply your varnish. And a sanding sealer gives your wood professional and a smooth base before you put your varnish.
You also need a fine sandpaper, a good foam roller, and a good brush.
Since we're using oil-based product, don't forget your thinners and a clean cloth to wipe away your dust. That's it, simple, easy, and ready to go. After sanding your table, make sure that the surface is clean and there is no particles.
That's right. Now it's time to apply our Parker Paints sanding sealer. This product seals the pores of the wood and creates a smooth, even base. Especially on new wood, it prevents the varnish from soaking in unevenly. It also improves adhesion and helps you achieve a more professional uniform finish.
After leaving your table to dry, now it's time for the best part, the varnish. When applying your varnish, use a roller brush, and for your edges and corners, use a smaller brush. Always follow the direction of your wood grain. Apply thin, even coats. Don't overload your roller so that you get an even, smooth finish. As you can see, we are on our second coat. But if you have got a high-use table, you can apply a third coat for extra durability and protection. If you are ready to protect and restore your furniture, visit any of our Union Hardware branches today and get your Parker Paints products.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share for your own DIY tips. Thank you so much.
See you in the next DIY.